Hi, it's Dana Kerigan with Kerigan Marketing, and I have a special treat this week. I am coming to you with our Tuesday's digital tips and tricks from the beautiful Smoky Mountains of North Carolina. You can see behind me here. So last week we talked about updating your Facebook profile picture and cover photo. But did you know that on your cover photo, you can actually load a video there? And video is a great way to just really increase your brand. So stick around and I'm going to show you how to do that. Videos help to tell a brand story faster than a photo, and it's a great way to get your brand remembered by your customers. It's important to note that the majority of your audience will watch with the sound off. So choose a video that doesn't require sound to understand it. An even better option than speaking would be use shots of your business, your products, or showcasing what it is you do. We hope you found this helpful, and stay tuned for next week's Tuesday Digital Tips and Tricks.